So let us talk about addition and subtraction of decimals by using models. In this case, we are going to use base 10 models. Your learning target in this case would be that you should be able to add and subtracting decimals by using base 10 blocks. The units of base 10 blocks that you will use are this one, and this. This is the smallest unit, and actually it is known as a unit. This is the next unit, which is known as a rod, and this is a flat. The units here represents hundredth, and this tenth, and this ones. So tenth and hundredth are parts of decimals, and ones is a part of whole numbers. Now, suppose you want to add 137 and 185. This is all about adding decimals. The key rule here is to regroup when the sum of any place value is 10 or more. Now in this case, you can see this is 1.37. So this is 1, the 3 rows is 0.3, and this is 0.07. So this is 1.37, and this represents 1.85. Now if you add this, they make more than 10 values. I mean more than 10 units. So we should have to regroup them as we are going to do here. Observe how these are going to be grouped. So the 10 units together will make a rod because they are 10 and the rod has got 10 units. So we will have to move them to the next level. So in this case here we have 9, we have 11 rods. If you count them, they are 11. Adding this one here, you obtain 12 rods. Coming up here, we need to group 10 rods so that we move them to the next level as we did here. So this is how you can do it. We are now grouping the 10 rods. Now the 10 rods together makes a flat. So you will have to move them to the next level. Adding one flat there, together you will make 3 flats. Coming back there, you can see there remains 2 rows, and that makes 2 there, and it means that when you add 3 tenths plus 8 tenths together, you'll get 2 tenths. That is 12 tenths. You move with 1, you get 3, so here is 3 ones. So 1.37 add 1.85 is 3.22. So you may pause this video and then find a friend or other, or you may find more than one friend, or you may find a group of people to discuss how actually you can add 1.37 with 1.85 by using the actual B base 10 blocks. But not only that, you should also be able to make this diagrammatic representation of this addition of these decimal numbers. So in your discussion, you may involve your mentor to see how this works. So let us now discuss about subtracting decimals. The rules here are: you should only build the first number and subtract the second. Regroup whenever the value of the digit being subtracted is greater than the value of the digit that you are subtracting from. Now here, what you have here is 2.82. 2.82. From 2.82 we want to subtract 1.87. So you can see 2 is less than 7. So you need to regroup. You cancel that rod, and then you split its units and place them there so that you can have units. Actually, these are 10 units, 12 units. From these 12 units, you will now subtract this 7 here. So to subtract 7, you actually cycle them that way, and then you cross them. You will remain with 5 units. And what means there is that when you take 200 less 700, you will remain with 500. Go to the next level. You are now having 7 rows here. You need to subtract 4. So you cycle the 4 rows and then you cross them. You will remain with 3 rows. So you write 3 there. That means 7 tenths less 4 tenths is 3.